Do you love high-quality deli roast beef but are tired of paying exorbitant prices? Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie, and this oven-roasted tri-tip recipe creates insanely tender, juicy, and flavorful beef. What's even better is it's incredibly easy to make and very affordable, making it perfect for party sandwiches or family dinners. Start by mixing together the spices in a small bowl. This is one of my favorite rub recipes for sandwiches. However, within the recipe post I share 5 more rub recipes so you can pick and choose your favorite. Line a roasting pan with aluminum foil and preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It is crucial to pat your roast dry using paper towels, as this will yield a much more superior final product. Once you have patted your roast dry, drizzle with oil and rub the oil all over the surfaces of the roast. Because the roast will be cooked at 500 degrees to begin with, it's best to use oils with a high smoke point, such as avocado oil or a high-quality vegetable oil. Once the oil is applied, sprinkle the dry rub evenly on all sides of the roast and then press the spices into the meat. The amount of spices may feel intimidating, but it is what gives this roast such an incredible, savory flavor. Once all the rub is applied, you're going to want to let the roast sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This allows the flavor of the spices to really penetrate the meat. As a side note, I've used this roast for making sandwiches, rice bowls, served it on top of salads, in wraps, and alongside pasta. It is overall such a great recipe for all kinds of meals. Once your roast is ready, cook it at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and then lower the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. This will yield medium rare meat, which has a final cooking temperature of 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the roast is done, loosely tent it with aluminum foil and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Go ahead and slice it to your desired thickness and enjoy it for all kinds of different meal options. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.